4 days of absolute heartbreak for the families of the victims in Oxford have come to an end. The school shooter now waits on a judge to rule if he'll ever have the chance of seeing the outside of a prison. Thanks for being here with us at 5. I'm Kimberly Gill.
And I'm Devin Skillian. The Miller hearing will determine if Ethan Crumbley will ever have the chance of being eligible for parole. It wrapped up today, though without a decision from the judge. So let's bring in Sean Lay live with us now. Do we know when we expect that decision to come, Sean?
September 29th, so more waiting for family members here. No emotion showed over 4 days of this brutal hearing here from the Oxford High School shooter. So much emotion for parents. The mother of Madison Baldwin told me upstairs day 4 was just as tough as the other days, even though a doctor, a specialist, is on the stand saying in her opinion this had nothing to do with a mental health crisis. She said she spoke with the shooter, who said he wanted to become famous by doing this shooting. So each day so emotional for these families. This is new, never before seen video of the Oxford school shooter immediately after murdering 4 fellow Oxford students, injuring others, and terrorizing a community. During the final stages of a 4-day hearing that will determine if the shooter can be sentenced to life in prison without parole, defense attorneys for the shooter say it was clear that the shooter was mentally ill and in a state of psychosis when he attacked the school. Dr. Lisa Anaker is a forensic psychiatry specialist testifying for prosecutors. She says the shooter's own behavior indicates he was not in any state of a mental health crisis. He wanted to be famous for the shooting.
The defendant wanted that notoriety. He wanted to be remembered for the shooting.
The shooter's attorney, Paulette Lofton, slamming Oakland County prosecutor Karen McDonald, saying McDonald is arguing in this court hearing that the shooter is mentally stable, while in another courtroom arguing that his parents did not treat him for his clear mental illness.
These are the words of the prosecutor. Both Jennifer and James Crumbley knew that the evidence showed that their son was experiencing disturbing mental health issues in the months leading up to the shooting.
For counsel to stand up here and call me unprofessional or inconsistent and making arguments that suit me in different cases is offensive. It's unconscionable.
Back here live, defense and prosecutors, they're getting into it about arguing that the prosecutors allegedly saying mental health issues in one court, no mental health issues in the other. Karen McDonald denying that, saying both cases are very clear about what they are about. Again, the judge will rule here September 29th, and then a sentencing date for the shooter will come in December. Back to you.
And Sean, also you spoke with one of the parents.
Well, Buck Meir spoke out afterwards. Tate Meir, his son, killed in the shooting. You know him well, and he, of course, did not hold back. Very emotional for him as well, saying we have 4 legs here being they're facing responsibility, being held accountable, talking about the shooter, the parents, talking about the community being held responsible about what they're doing to heal. But he said school officials, in his opinion, not being held responsible at all. We'll hear from Buck Meir at 6.
Yeah. All right, Sean, we'll see you then.